Hi, I'll show you quickly how to install a vent for a kitchen range hood. Those are the parts. This is the least expensive possible range hood. This is the kitchen, and I'll explain quickly what is the plan. Okay, from the corner at the end, actually the end of the cabinet, which gonna be my corner of the room, I'll have from here to this line 12-inch cabinet. Then the range, above range wall cabinet, it's usually 30 inches from here to following 30 inches, but I need the middle of the 30 inches, which is 15, and because the exit from the hood will be in the middle. Right here I got 15 inches and right this line. Okay, now how high will be hold this thing? The top of my cabinets will be right here, and the wall cabinet which I'm gonna use for my kitchen is 18 inches. 18 inches, it's right this line, and also on the other side this mark. Okay, now back to the parts. I decided to use those parts to 90-degree turns, everything in 4 inches diameter and one extension. Okay, the direction of the connecting of those pipes is from this end, and this will be right here on the top of the hood. Okay, by the way, cheapest possible hood has no any opening right here for attachment of the vent, which means I'll make a hole here. I'll attach this thing somehow to the hood, then the hood with the attachment will be installed to the wall. Then the first 90-degree will get in here somehow. There is, and right there this thing will, from my 18 inches mark from the top, and middle it's right here, this line, this thing will go like that. Then needs to turn to the opening. Okay, back to the parts. I already have this. Then this is the 90-degree turn to the wall, which is gonna be something like that, like that. And I already have attaching the the pipes to the hood and going to the wall. Over there on the wall, after I put all this 290 degrees and the extension here, I figured out where the opening will be. I drill a 4 inches hole, and through this hole I'll install the vent outside. By the way, there is the really nice hole saw. For the outside part of the vent, I purchased one of those from Lowe's or Home Depot, whatever. The hole, it's not exist. Originally is solid, but with the same hole saw I made the 4 inches opening through the cover. Then the last part outside is this thing. I like in this way. There are many different kinds, but I like this one because it's really easy to open from the breeze from the hood, and then really nice closing. Okay, then this thing is going here and hold this thing through the wall. By the way, after I made the 4 inches hole, I went outside and put this thing through the hole, and right here you see I marked a line to follow the siding, and I cut it a little bit to be able to match the curves of the siding. Then again I put this pipe through the opening and put some marks, which one at the top, one on the bottom, which are even with the studs. Means imagine one line between this stud and this one, and the mark is here. After I have those marks already, because what I'm talking about, all this thing is too long, and I need to cut it a little bit. So now from the mark of the studs, which is this one, I'll add extra ½ inch for the drywall. Then I'll add extra ¼ inch for the back panel of the cabinet, the wall cabinet, and then I'll add another 1.5 or 2 inches, which I gonna need this pipe to pop out from the wall, actually from the back panel of the cabinet, because when I push this pipe here in, I'll need to tape it for extra insulation and not losing air in the cabinet. And this is it. By the way, when I install the outside cover, I'll try to the pipe to be not level, and to get a little bit angle to outside down, actually the outside side of the pipe to be a little bit lower than the inside side, because if there is some condensation or something else, I would like the water, liquid, whatever creates over there, greasy stuff from the cooking things, to be able to go outside, not inside to the hood. Because if it's angled in opposite way, all the stuff will collect inside and 90 degrees, or just will leak back to the hood. That's why angled from inside to outside down. Okay, this is it. By the way, when I cut the pipe in the right length through these holes right here, I just gonna screw it to the wall, and then after I'm ready with all this stuff, I'll show you the final product. By the way, I already cut the length of the pipe which gonna pop in through the wall, and with the leftover kind of strip of aluminum, I made a cover for the hood, which I'm gonna install permanently later, and this cover will block those exits, which is for the original purpose of the hood, to blow the air back in the room. Before that went through some cheap filter which almost not working, and this is the cover which gonna prevent that. Okay, I'm going to install the vent outside. There is the vent is installed already. When you tighten the screws, don't do it so tight, because the plastic bends. I have a little bit bent, but I released the screws, and now it's about okay. Then after install everything, just check are these things working, because if it's too tight, I'll have some chance to not work, and there's minor okay. Hey, there is. By the way, it's too cold in here, no matter that it's so sunny. It's winter, and in my area gets really cold. Okay, when it gets warmer, I'll apply silicone and the gaps to cover them, because in the summertime got various kinds of bugs and whatever creatures would like to get in. But I'll apply the silicone in warmer days, because this thing just gonna freeze now. Okay, I'm going inside. There is the whole idea already kind of put together. This is the side to the range hood, right here goes outside. It's still flexible, I can turn it in any direction and adjust it. It's about the matching with the mark for the middle of the hood. The outside, there is everything works. By the way, I installed 2x4, and that thing will support the pipe to not moving. And the final installation of the hood will be not really soon. Until then, because the cold air, I use the cut-off ring from the siding to cover the cold air. It's kind of tight. That must be like that. And also I got the small level. It's gonna show that I'm good. This is level. This is mine angle. Okay, this is it. I cannot show you right now the hood installed because that will be in probably a month from now. I need first to finish the walls. Probably I'll touch up the plumbing, floor, and ceiling, and then the kitchen cabinet. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching and good luck. Bye.